Welcome back to our channel. So I'm gonna be making slime, of course. So I got, oh wait, what the frick? There are two bowls. We're just gonna keep one extra if something goes. So I have slime here. It's a very old slime I found in my basement. I'm gonna make another video about it. I didn't touch it because I don't know what the frick is happening in there. I wanted to make a video on this, but then I changed my mind. I want to make a slime. I made like my second ever, first ever, whatever video of making slime, and it was like a big fail. We had to freeze it and stuff. I'm gonna be making a fluffy slime, and I never tried. I do have a lot of type. I had slime like fluffy slime, plain slime, all that. So I do not have activator. I just have shampoo and glue. So on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, my new phone. Yeah, it does mine. So on my phone, it's showing. I just scrolling to TikTok. I mean, not YouTube. And then I found this art with Pragaya, a fluffy slime. So I'm gonna be making this. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So what do we have to put? It's just showing like ASMR. I can't do an ASMR without. Okay, so we have to put a shampoo. Like how much? I think 1 rupee. And then we have to put water. I do have water right here. I'm gonna go and bring the shampoo. I got the shampoo. This was like new. We just bought it yesterday because we ran out of shampoo. Here needs shampoo, dude. Do it. We opened it. I don't know how much to put. Look, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I'm gonna put it back. So we have to put water in it. Water. This is my water bottle hydrate. You guys should get like a water bottle which has a coat or encouragement to drink more water, because it's gonna. Yeah, I think that's enough. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. What the frick is happening? Oh my god. So, I'm trying to tell you, I mix like a lot. I'm gonna mix. And after that, we have to put glue. I need to bring my glue. Like, mix a lot. I don't know how much I mixed though. And his shampoo is purple. I never seen purple. Oh yeah, purple shampoo. Yeah, I know purple shampoo. So mine is like white, off-white. Oh my god. Because the bowl is white and it does not consider like it's not that white, so it's like gray mix. Mix rub. This should be on my hair. And now it's making slime. Does this look like slime? No. I think you know my friend, if you know her, Hadra Art there. So I made a lot of videos with her and some like collabs, but we never did like she never did a face review, but our face review of our channel. Look at this, guys. So she loves slime, and no, this is not a gift to her because it's still summer vacations. It's about to end. My school is gonna start on August 21st, right? There's only like a few days. I'm gonna make like a video of stationery supplies, thingy shopping, because I need a lot of them. I already have this cute pouch which I just got like the day when school ended because I needed it. But now we ran out of everything. I shouldn't have gotten it. I regret buying it because it's so kiddish, in my opinion. But I needed one new pouch because it was important. Like everyone in my class was having one. So mix until dead. Okay, I'm just gonna mix. My hand hurts. I'm just gonna. Agitate. Spilled. I thought it spilled. It did spill, but it's okay. Okay, so this is a slime. I'm gonna bring the glue and then you're gonna figure it out. Got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. So this is the glue. This is craft glue, no run formula. Safe for all your needs. So just squirt I'm so tired. Oh my god. What's happening? I think there's dry glue and there's no dry glue. Dude, it's clean. I used it. Okay. Come on, glue. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. Come on, glue. Breath. You have to work for this project. I'm sorry if this project doesn't work, you know, like, I don't know, like, just know. So I'm gonna mix. Everybody. My brother is screaming. I don't know why. He's crazy. Crazy boy. Crazy lad. If you guys want to do a Q&A, you can comment on this video and all my other videos. So I'm just gonna... I'm mixing so freaking much. What should I do now? Okay, we need another spoon. Pick instead of a spoon. So I can just... There's so much glue on the spoon. And this is not working. Great. Just goes into the trash. Do I have anything here? Let's use this scale. Yeah, I use anything I want to. And you guys will be like, oh, the frick, she is a maniac. I'm like, why are you so obsessed with me? Okay, that was cringe. Wait. Do I have tissues? Oh, great. Oh, God. It smells weird. Yeah. Why are you so obsessed with me? So, y'all. I'm filming this on my iPad, and my phone is here. It's not fake, guys. It's not fake. Don't worry. Yeah, oh, nothing. Okay. Just mix. Mix hard. Bro, my hand hurts. Wait, I want to see it. We have to put a look. Go. I'm just gonna open this damn thing up. My strength is going. Come out! You see that? That's called glue. You know what glue means? Oh, bruh, there's so much on the spoon. Mix. I'm gonna like drown. If I was in there, I'm gonna drown because there's so much. Okay. Guys, please bring me to like 100 subs. Please. I beg ya. Please, guys. I really want to get 100 subs. And then I'm gonna do a giveaway, because I always do giveaways. And you guys want some of the guys think it's fake, but it's not. Ava Lemilla, I think, got a giveaway. And if your name is Ava Lemilla, I don't know. And once my cousin got a giveaway, I don't know why. Because she subscribed to my channel, and then she was like, I didn't even know her account, dude. She just subbed and like commented, please, Rakaya, give me. I was like, dude, who is this? So I just gave it away. She lives in Australia. It's like, I don't know it. Okay, I know where she lives. She's in India. She's in India now. So this is the slime. Okay, I'm just gonna watch the video to see if it's right or no. Okay. Most important. I don't know what they're saying. We need cream. I think we need moisturizer. Anyway, we have a shortcut. Don't work. Anyway, sure, we will shortcut. Don't. Yes. I think this is actually gonna work. Please work, please. Okay. Oh my god. I think this is very important in slime. Moisturizer. I don't even. I'm just looking at the old slime which I showed you, the blue color one. I think I was like 8 when I got it. 2 years. 2 years. I never threw that away. Mix until dead. Bruv, this is very weird. I want to show you. You can watch it right here. Oh my god, we have phone. Oh my god. 1 9. I know, I just told you the password. Okay, I'm just gonna keep quiet. Okay, I'm just gonna screen record this because I know you guys can't see. So this is how the slime should turn out. This is how. No, it doesn't. Oh my god, what is happening? Hey, glue rough. Shut up. Shut up. Look at this. Look at this. It should look like that. Really. I want to see one of the comments. Okay, can we use Vaseline? I don't know. I'm gonna check it out, but I don't think so. So, I read the comments, and then they were like, okay, nothing. So, he was like, the thing was like cream, and while we were mixing it, we have to drop this in. So this is gonna be hard. Frick. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it at base. Oh, bro, I don't think I can see me. You guys can see me because I'm going in the corner. I should be in the middle so you can subscribe. Please subscribe. Click that red subscribe button. So, my brother came to take my phone. Okay, so I know all of your sisters out there are getting like engraved of me because like, who gives your phone to your brother? Is that your phone or your brother's or your dad's? And it's my phone, dude. You have to be nice to your brother in some way. Bro, my hand hurts. I'm gonna put more glue. 10 years later. You there? Dude, no, my slime? My slime? I'm just putting the pencil out. Right. Put it in the other bowl, which I told you. I want to make aesthetic vlogs because I never make vlogs. I only make shorts. And nowadays I'm really into like vlogs. I've seen so many cute creators on there making cute vlogs, and I don't know, and you guys are like, you were in India last year on this time and you're not anymore, what's wrong? And I got that comment. Yeah, I got that comment only one time in my most recent video on the digital painting. That's why I just, guys, if you see my comments disabled because someone commented something bad about me or something nice about me or like a stupid question, okay, so I disabled that. Sorry whoever that was, I didn't see the account because I completely forgot. So I'm just gonna put this thing in the new bowl because like, dude, it does. Oh, there was the toothpick. I freaking poured everything in the toothpick, and let me show y'all right there. Like that. Oh my god, the lighting in here is so flawless. I'm just gonna put. So there's a toothpick in it. Great work, RK. Great work. You know, sometimes I just make up fake scenarios in my head. I'm like, oh my god, what if this happens? The what ifs in our brain are always gonna keep going. Like, bro, like, we don't care you what ifs. But still, what if keep coming? Like, we don't freaking care. Okay, I even It's right here. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out of our bowl. Oh my god. It's Tristan Rocco Rock. It's like it's like this. Oh, bruv, no! I'm gonna take you back, you idiot. So I'm not gonna take the toothpick. I'm just gonna take all the liquid out of it. Like one pinch every wrap. Abby Laminar. I just like the name Abby. To all Abbies out there, hi! It's kind of thick now, as you can see. It's thicker than usual. And it's heavier. And all of you are thinking, bruv, don't do that. It's fake, it's fake, it's fake. I think so too, guys. I don't know. Because like I was like, the last time you did it was a big gigantic fail. It was a mess and I couldn't even see the results because they told to freeze it. I couldn't see the results because the next day I went to the mom. That was like luck, dude. And then when I came back, it freaking looked like colored water. Like, bruv, we shouldn't trust anything on YouTube anymore, I think. Like, bruv, please, guys, don't do that. Oh my god, my iPad is low %. It's okay. You have to say bye to my natural beauty. Wait, this is so bad. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna keep it like that. I need to put on charging my iPad. So this is it so far. You can't see it. I know, I'm dumb. So this is it. I'm just gonna keep on mixing. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on charging. Do you guys want Emma? Oh, thank God it didn't drift down. I thought it did. Okay. This feels weird. I'm gonna keep on adding this because he told like add a lot and keep on mixing it. Like, bro, my hand hurts. And who wants lime and how are they broke to buy it? And of course, I'm the one to solve all those answers if it works or not. Oh, bro, Cobra Kai. My brother loved that show. Watch me dance the night away. Watch me dance the night away. Dua Lipa's new song, Barbie. Oh my god, so hot. So I'm just gonna add some water to see what happens. Okay, it's cute, eyelash. It's cute. What did I say? It's good, I guess. Oh my god, dude. 1 hour later. Watch me. Oh, I think it got thinner. It looks like I need some new moisturizer because this is gonna be finished. Oh, right. So I'm gonna make a part 2 of this if this is good. So yeah, girly girls. Like after I'm done editing with this, I'm just gonna, make this a tap video. Of course not a tap, the thing I told earlier, the thing. You know this thing? So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. So, see ya. Peace. Bye. Oh my god. Fail. Not going anywhere, guys. Don't. I'm not leaving y'all like that. Everyone are like, no, you're not gonna make a part 2 anyways. It should be even with the part 1 then. I'm like, you dumb idiots. Sorry. I do not. I do call my fans dumb idiots. I'm just putting it on the floor. Just putting it on my table. My poor table. Story table. If y'all know, I will never do that. But the people who don't know, I will never do that. And the haters are like, no, I didn't do. Oh, great, it touched. I've got my bottle 10 times. I think I put a lot of water again. Okay, keep the water just like that. It's my brother. Okay, and I'm gonna put some. It's done. I need a charger because my. And now he's complaining to my dad. Bro, like what the frick? Like my dad's phone. I'm gonna make a part 2.